It's a crucial court battle, a bid to nullify the results of the 2015 elective conference. Supporters of both sides vocal. Inside court, the legal team for the applicants argued that the PEC did not have the authority to call for a special conference without the branches. The court also heard that the applicants had exhausted all avenues to lodge complaints internally. Even President Jacob Zuma failed to respond to complaints from branches.
What we submit here is what authority existed to hold this conference twice between the period May 2012 and the period May 2016. There is no such authority because the only authority that could have existed is the authority of a third of the branches. It is common cause here that there were no such branches that called the meeting at all. It is common cause that this was a decision taken by the Provincial Executive Committee itself, and as the leadership presiding points out, the justification for it was that because there are local government elections about to take place. Justification aside, the point of the matter is that they never complied with their own constitution in convening this elective conference.
In response, counsel for the respondents argued that the branches had ample time to lodge complaints before the conference was held. Advocate Greg Harper also submitted that the applicants had no authority to approach the court, saying they neither represented branches nor were they members of affected branches. Both sides were confident after day one.
We are happy that our legal team is more than ready for this case. It might be a lengthy legal debate, but there are some issues that they have already considered and agreed that indeed they made some mistakes there and there. So I think we are on the same page on some of those issues, but there are critical issues that will be debated in the court.
We have an obligation to make it a point that whoever wins or whoever loses must at some point get together and say enough is enough with all this bickering, and we have an obligation as members of the African National Congress, but in particular as leaders of the ANC, to say can we put the past behind us and get together and build for the sake of our province.
There was a strong police presence in and outside court. The trial continues on Thursday.